Hello folks. Welcome to my channel Online Maths Tutoring. Learn maths with fun. Today we are going to learn addition of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Let's solve. 37 plus 46. How we solve add two digits with two digits is: first, we add the ones place digits. So on the ones place, we have 7 and 6. So, what is 7 plus 6? It is 13. In 13, I will write this 3. Under ones place digit cause 3 is on the ones place. Under a ones place digit that is under 7 and 6, and write 1 above tens place digits, as 1 is on the tens place digit. So I will write this 1 on the top of the 10th place digits. Okay, so next we add tens place digits, so on the tenths we have 1, 3, and 4. If we add this 1 with 3, it's 4. And then this 4, and this 4 is 8. So the answer is 83. That is 37 plus 46 is equal to 83. Okay, so question number 2 is... So question number 2 is 52 plus 68. You can try this question and comment your answer. So don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel for more fun math videos. Press the bell icon to receive the notifications whenever I post new fun math videos. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Scan the QR code to visit my website.